know so the little thing do better work than the big something.
I want money.
Okay.
That's why I cheat.
That's why you cheat.
She lady she back up, she marry and all.
But Vibe Scott with RMB Production. And we ask the people don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The party is out. I was out and stunted. I don't know nobody watch out them thing here. I have got some bangers. Alright, that's quite a big by the mother, you know. It's quite a love them sitting there. Call up KFC car. And I can't sit them as squad want to eat.
Port Antonio KFC, good afternoon.
Yes. Good afternoon. Can I get one constable finger licking?
Absolutely, sir. What size do you need?
Yeah. Yes. A large. I need a large finger licking, because that's what he said he wants. A large finger licking.
Okay, is that complete your order, sir?
No, actually, he asked me to get a police favorite as well. I don't know what that is.
That is ice cream.
Police favorite is ice cream. Okay. So what flavor it is?
Roman raisin, sir.
Roman raisin. Okay, alright. He said you need a large one as well. Alright. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. So what time is the delivery?
About in the next 15 minutes.
Okay.
What is your address, please?
Address, Main Street, Port Antonio, Portland.
Okay, so your order will be there in 15 minutes.